Hi, my name is Tommy Walmart, and I'm the founder of the SandBox. And the SandBox is a digital platform that connects curious thinkers from all around the world to debate, discuss, and dissect ideas. And today, we're here on the campus of Miramar College, home of the Rec Innovation Lab, the incubator that's helping to bring the SandBox to the world. And today, we're here on my favorite part of campus. And the reason why I love it is I sit here underneath the pillars, underneath the canopies, and I watch the students walk by, coming out of class and discussing the ideas they just learned. I'm reminded of ancient Athens. And I'm reminded of how thousands of years ago, folks would travel from all over the world to a place just like this to discuss ideas. But more importantly, I'm reminded of all the incredible ideas that came out of those conversations, out of that community, and how those ideas are still cornerstones that still shape society today, thousands of years later. For us in the SandBox, our mission is to recreate that sort of philosophical boom that occurred not only in ancient Athens, but also in Renaissance Italy, any place really where creative thinkers were given a space and the freedom to truly explore ideas. Our mission is to recreate that for the modern world. We are bringing folks from all around the world, all walks of life, engineers, doctors, over 52 countries to exchange ideas, and our hope is to recreate that sort of boom. And if you have ideas that you think are worth sharing with the world, we welcome you because we believe your ideas can change the world.